Okay, hello, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be August quad. August. Can you believe that this is the 8th episode of this series? I've done 8 quads on my channel and there's only 4 left until the end of the year. That is so cool. And also next month I promised you that we were gonna do a purple and red quad, so we're doing that for next month. That's already decided. I think I know which brand I'm gonna use as well. But as always, do leave some suggestions down in the comments of what quad you would like me to do next month. This month we are doing Sydney Grace, and I got a lot of questions of me doing a monochromatic quad. Like, what do you do if you want to do some looks with all greens, all yellows, all pinks? So these 2 looks that I'm doing this month, you can do them with any colors that are like in the same family. Just go ham, it doesn't have to be green, but this month we are using some shadows from Sydney Grace, and this is actually from her new bundle, the one that's the no joke bundle, and you can order those shadows separately, like as singles if you want to. I did buy the bundle, but you can buy this separately. Sorry if you hear any background noise, but there's some kind of orchestra march thing going on, and I have no idea. If you haven't been on my channel before and you don't know what the series is about, this is not about you going out and buying these 4 shadows. This is about me showing you 4 shadows that I've picked from my collection that I feel go together and then create 2 looks with them. This is about inspiring all of us to play with things that we already own, shop our own stash, and just finding new ways to use and love the things that we already own, because sometimes I feel we just keep buying and buying and we just don't love the things we already have. And I always describe the colors down below so that you can go raiding your own collection, finding something similar. But if you don't have anything similar to this and you want to find something similar, at least they're all from the same place, so you only have to make 1 order in case you actually wanted to pick these up. And this kind of quad that I did today, that is just, it's not all about the color, it's not about green, it's about doing monochromatic looks. So if you have 3 mattes in any kind of color that goes from light to dark and then a shimmer, you can do that with any other monochromatic color scheme as well. I love monochromatic looks. You probably already know this because I do that a lot on my channel. Let me just swatch these and I can let you know which one they are. What is going on with my hair? I just washed it and just stepped out of the shower, and yeah, it's like Dora the Explorer again. Oh well, this is where we're at. This one is Seafoam. It is a very light green matte. And like I said, if you don't have something similar to this, just imagine what other 3 mattes you would have in the same color that goes from light to dark. This is the shimmer I choose to bring in. It is Perfect Vacation. This is just a, I don't know, a light green shimmer. It's not a yellow undertone. This is, I mean, it's not obviously not Cooltoned, but it's just a mid-tone green. It does not pull yellow, and neither does any of these other colors, and that's why I thought that that color would fit these other colors perfectly. This is Turtle Bay. This is a mid-tone, I wouldn't say army green, because this definitely does not have any kind of yellow in it, but yeah, maybe army green, camouflage green. It's really pretty. It's what I have like focused here around the, like in my outer crease. And then I have a bit of this one as well just in the corner here because I like darkening up looks a bit. This is Island Paradise, and this is just a dark almost blackened olive, and this is also a matte. So these are the 4 colors that I chose for, oh wait, abort. So these are the 4 colors that I chose for this month's quad. We went with an all green theme, and like I said before in another video, we're gonna do the purple red thing next month, and I'm super excited about that as well. So yeah, happy hunting throughout your collection, finding something similar. Let me know if you do this look. You can always hashtag Angeschka, which is my name on Instagram, if you do choose to do any of looks with the quad for this month or any other month. I'd love to see your looks. Sometimes things get lost in my feed when you just use like when you just at me on Instagram, because it only shows the last 100 events, and normally during the night it happens more than 100 things and it kind of disappears. So use the hashtag angeschka and I will find your work. I love looking at what you have done that's either been inspired by looks I've done or been inspired by this month's quad. So yeah, let's just get into the looks, this being look number 1. Okay, time for look number 1 with this palette, and I'm gonna focus mainly on this middle green matte here, and I'm gonna put that in the outer part of my crease, and I'm gonna try and not drag it inwards. So I'm gonna have this darker matte in the outer part of my crease, and then I'm gonna have this shimmery one in the inner part of my lid and just gently blend that into the crease. So it's like a two-tone thing. I have it in my head, I'm hoping it's gonna work out, and then I'm gonna do an ombre in the inner corner and the lower lash line going from light, medium, dark. That is the plan. Maybe I shouldn't have told you the plan before I executed it, but oh well, here we are. So I'm gonna start with that middle green, and I'm just gonna pack that and buff that into the outer part of my crease. Like somewhere here. And I'm also gonna put it on the outer part of my outer half of my lid, because I'm not gonna have shimmer all the way out. I think this is what I'm after. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye, and then we'll go in with the shimmer. Now I'm taking the shimmery green, and I am gonna spray that a bit so that I can put that very intensely on the lid, and then I am gonna blend that up a bit in the crease as well. So this is where we're at with this eye. I'm actually going to do the lower lashes as well, so that we can just move into, and I can just finish the other eye on its own, and we can just move into like the lashes and stuff. So I'm just going to use this super light green, and I'm going to use that in my inner corners, and then I'm going to drag it a bit under my eyes, like 1/3. But yeah, I'm also packing this on in my inner corners, because I want this to be, oh, this is the lightest color, and I want that to be in the inner corners. And now I'm taking the middle green, the one that I have in my crease on top, and I'm putting that in the middle. And now with that darkest matte, I'm putting that in the outer part of the lower lashes. So that is actually the darkest part right now, and I'm gonna switch to a very detailed brush, if I can find one. And I'm gonna take a bit more of that super dark one, and I'm just gonna carry that up a bit here to the outer corner, ever so lightly, just dusting it a bit here. Just so it carries up a bit here in the outer corner and makes it a bit dark. I seem to have totally lost my faith in doing lighter looks. Apparently that's not what I'm doing anymore. Sorry. I am gonna put this is NYX Fall White in Mint Cream. It is a light minty color, but it comes off very white, let's be honest. But I just want this to, well, let's not do it too dark, shall we? I'm gonna put this on and then do the other eye, and I'll put some mascara on and I'll come right back. Okay, so this is the look when I have just mascara on. I'm also wearing the this is the By Terry, the color gloss, the one that I got in red in PR. I bought another one in Mango Tango. That's what I'm wearing. It's beautiful, like glossy, like sheer lipstick. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I want to use the Iconic lights. This town is usually not this hectic, so I'm gonna put those on. Hopefully these will disappear, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the finished look with some Iconic lights, and I am really liking this look, and I'm happy I took my orange shirt on as well, because I really like orange with green. And so yeah, that was the first look with this month's quad. Let's just get into look number 2. Okay, we're gonna try and do a classic smoky eye, but with a green monochromatic look. I'm actually gonna start with this light green in my crease a bit, just to prepare the crease for the darker color, so to speak. So I'm just gonna put this in the crease as a transition color so that we have something to blend the rest into. It's always nice to have more than one matte in the same gradient if you're gonna do something really smoky and dark. Now I'm taking the middle green color, the matte one, and I'm just blending that into the crease like I would any other matte crease color. Just buffing it in from outer part to inner part. Now that I have the crease down, I'm gonna put this dark color all over the lid and blend it into the green crease, and I'm gonna tap this color on to get it to be super dark on the lid. And be gentle so you don't blend this dark color in the smoky eye up too high. It is enough to have it on the lid and then just blend it into the crease color. That is a way to keep the smoky eye from becoming too much if you start blending it up just too high. Now I'm cleaning off this brush on my Vermona color switch and I'm going into that middle green shade again, and now I'm just gently with that middle green shade blending these shades together ever so gently because I don't want this dark color to be too far up in the crease. So this is the look right now. I'm going to use this middle green shade on my lower lashes with an E20 from Sigma, and then I'm just going to use some of the absolute darkest closest to the lash line to really define it. And now just a bit of the absolute darkest color closest to the lash line. Now I'm going to use the NYX Full Black in Black Olive. I'm gonna use this and tight line on my upper lash line and also on my waterline. Since this is a dark olive green, it really flows together with the rest of the shades. You know what? I am gonna put on some mascara and I'll be right back and we can do the inner corner. So this is the look with some mascara. Now we're gonna use this bright green shimmery one on a tensor brush and we're gonna spray that a bit, and we're actually gonna put that in our inner corners because I love a very sparkly inner corner when I have a matte smoky look. And since this is also green, I think that this is gonna look so cool together with the green smoky look. Like, don't be afraid to also, if you're doing a smoky look, to just bring the smoke or the dark color all the way into the inner corners. That's why I'm not too concerned that this is not like super brightening, because I really like a smoky look that has like darkness all the way into the inner corners. That is super sexy and sultry. So this is the look right now. I am gonna put on some iconic lights and I'll be right back and show you the finished look. Okay, that is the finished look. That is with the lashes on. I have Bellegant Cosmetics in Tahiti Island on my lips. It is a beautiful yellow tone nude and I love that together with this olive green look. Yeah, I'm so excited about this look. Thank you so much for watching this month's quad. I am so excited that we are in August. Who would have thought that I would keep this up all year? I would have thought, because I always keep my promises. If I say I'm gonna do something, I will do it if I still have to die on while doing it. That sounds harsh, but that, like, if I promise something, that's a hill I'm gonna die on. Trust me on that one. So yeah, that was it for this month's quad. Do let me know what you'd like to see next month, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!